So my name is Valentin Maior, and I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Techmatch, where we provide B2B lead generation for software agencies. Techmatch is a platform that helps software agencies save money and increase revenue by providing qualified leads and streaming their sales process at a fraction of the cost of hiring a sales team. Now, approximately 75% of our potential clients, software agencies meaning, have stated that they have no internal sales department or clear sales processes, and more than 50% are without a marketing strategy. What's our solution to that? We're generating leads. How? Through multiple acquisition channels. Then we qualify the lead using a PRD, which they either have or they create one on our platform. We initiate a request for proposal process. We start a bidding where we invite our software agencies to bid. We select the proposal and then we start the project. All of this in a streamlined sales process on our platform. Let's talk about advantages. For software agencies, we provide better sales processes, more qualified leads, save time, money, and generate more revenue. While for clients looking for software development services, faster processes for idea, PRD, proposal to MVP, defining the PRD where needed, and faster, better request for proposal process. The global market for software development outsourcing is estimated at approximately 500 billion globally, so even if it's a red ocean, there is still enough demand to be tackled by the Romanian software industry. Now, if we were to talk about competitive advantage for Techmatch, we would consider two verticals. System-wise, the online platform to automate the lead generation and lead management process, and business-wise, we are developing a contract-based affiliate network so we can reach high-level executives, Series A startups, and VCs. Now, the previous statement regarding our professional network should be a bit more obvious if you were to talk about the backgrounds of the three co-founders, Valentin Maior, which is myself, Mircea Vădan, and Ștefan Coritar, each with over 10 years of experience in software development, product development, and building startup and tech ecosystems. Going to the business and revenue model, we have currently tested and validated 3 monetization channels: monthly subscriptions from software agencies, lead generation success fee commission, and on-demand consultancy for the end clients, for the leads, with creating PRDs, for example. Our go-to-market strategy involves developing a global affiliate sales network, content marketing, strategic partnerships, and we had also tech events, but due to COVID, we're no longer considering them short term. What we have done so far, last year we've generated in pipeline value over 400,000 euros for our software agencies partners. We have 2 ongoing sales consultancy-based contracts, 30 plus affiliate partners in Europe and US, and active sales representative in Paris, London, and Nuremberg. From a business perspective, we have ongoing partnerships with Transylvania IT Cluster and global tech communities like Startup Grind, Product Tank, and Romania IT, through which we have access to over 1,000 cities to attract new leads. We've done 15 leads from countries like US, UK, Monaco, France, Italy, delivered 2 product discovery workshops for them, and validated the 1 PRD needed for one of the leads. Now, from a financial perspective, we've been operational using 36K startup grant. We've generated 13.6K euros last year in revenue, and started this year, we've generated monthly recurring revenue from our sales consultancy-based contracts. Our roadmap includes driving more than 50 qualified leads worth of approximately $1 million in 1 year, expanding our affiliate network in Europe and in the US, onboard over 200 software agencies. We currently have almost 50, contract-based, and launch the platform and streamline the processes. Now, our cap table is divided in 3 times 30% for the co-founders. We've reserved 4% for our first employees, as well as 6% for the advisory board. And we're looking to raise approximately 100K while the percentage, as we haven't yet finalized the estimation, let's say approximately 20%. The funds will be used to further develop our platform with new features, as well as marketing, operations, and to expand our team. That would be all. Thank you for listening.
A couple of seconds, Valentin. We cannot wait to hear out what the jury members have to say. If there's questions, please quickly raise a hand. Malin, you go first.
First of all, how do you monetize? So are you having, do you control the project? The second question. So are you an interface between the customer and the agency or not?
So as I said into the monetization, we have 3 monetization plans. So one is commission-based, and we already have signed contracts with the software agencies. It's a standard 10% commission, which decreases. There's also a percentage to be on the platform for the software agencies, where there's multiple functionalities, like, for example, exchanges resources on the bench until we generate new leads. And there's also the sales consultancy until you get on board. We have like a plug and play system for you. So there are 3 monetization channels we've tested and validated. And we're not actually, imagine like a triangle, right? First it's us and the software agency. We go ahead and find the lead. Then we subtract, there's a triangle formed, and they collaborate directly, and we get paid a commission once the project is ongoing. However, we do reserve the right, contract-based, to on the behalf of the client, to do an audit for the software agency in case something goes wrong. So we do stay in loop with everything, but we're not involved in the development process or in the project management.
Thank you for raising that question, Malin. Let's move on to another one, coming this time from, please.
Sorin here. My question is, what is your target audience in terms of companies? What size or how the level of sophistication? One, and the second question, if you still have time, is how do you plan to acquire this target of customers to your platform so that they can then buy the products from your software agencies?
Okay, so by customers, I guess you're referring to leads. On the go-to-market strategy slide, we mentioned 3 acquisition channels. We have a network of affiliate partners. Practically, they're experts all over the world that provide us lead. We have contract-based with them. Then we have content marketing, where we actually go ahead and produce content and attract. We have sales pages for that. And the last one, just one second. And the last one is data mining, because we're actually using a lot of APIs and a lot of crawling solutions in order to scrape the internet to see which companies use certain technologies, might need services, and then go ahead and outreach them on outreach campaigns or cold marketing, however you want to say. And the second question was?
What is the target audience for this?
So we're targeting early stage startups and Series A startups at this moment. Enterprise we're not yet targeting, as the B2B sales cycle is very long, from 6 to 12 months. That's why we're currently going towards startups.
I see Liz has something to say. Thank you, Sorin. Moving on to Liz.
Can you give me a clear indication on the market size for specifically what you are doing and not software development services?
The market size for what we are doing. Well, we are targeting software development outsource because that's what companies practically need. This is what we are intermediating.
But you said you're targeting just startups and the Series A.
Yeah.
Oh.
So 500 billion is the whole market, which is formed of startups, SMBs, enterprise, large enterprise, so on and so forth.
Okay, I see. So we do not have exact numbers if we talk about just that. We went for the outsourcing. That's my honest answer at this moment. We have the entire outsourcing market.
Definitely appreciate that. Let's see if we have time to take another question, which should be a short one and a short answer. Please, Vlad.
So you mentioned that you are receiving requests from clients, and then you are pitching this to multiple possible suppliers. How do you lead that selection process? Because projects can be quite complex, and it's not just a 2-hour job of quoting for a project for an agency. How do you do that selection to keep things efficient?
We are not doing that for the clients. We're actually just providing them proposals, which the software agencies need to offer. So they need to make an offer for the project. We just make sure that the lead is qualified, that they have the proper documentation on which software agencies can actually provide a ballpark or even a complex RFP, a proposal on a complex RFP.
Okay, so you basically select a set of agencies that might be a good fit for the client, but you let them walk.
Absolutely.